More than 125,000 people do this every night. It's not a diet. It's not a workout. It's a weird bedtime habit that's helping people burn fat while they rest. Sleep is one of the hidden pillars of fat burning, science has revealed. But what few people know is that certain natural compounds can help your body restore this silent, profound, and transformative cycle. In June 2025, a new study revealed a hidden factor behind stubborn belly fat: poor sleep quality. Even if you think you're getting a good night's sleep, your body may not be getting the deep sleep it needs to balance your metabolism and shed excess fat. Here's what scientists have identified as the silent trigger behind weight gain, and how a simple nighttime habit with a natural product can help reverse it. But be warned, the information you'll see here may be taken offline at any time.